Hi friends! Today I want to share with you this new keyboard that Amazon just sent me for my computer. Came in a combo with this mouse. As you can see, the color is so pretty. Look, this is how they see. Came with the batteries that use one battery AA and this one too, and came with your combo. The case feels so good. It's ergonomic. It's so have so much versatility too. And the best thing about this product is that have 30 days of warranty. If your USB that came with your mouse that you put in your computer is broken, you can be resent a new one. So, looks pretty, it's comfortable. I can move in my keyboard with great facility. So aesthetic and easy to clean. The mouse feels so comfortable and ergonomic design. So I highly recommend it for your office. See you!